Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can add your GoDaddy domain to your Blogger account. So first is you have to log into your GoDaddy account. Okay, and then just have to go to your dashboard. After that, log into your Blogger account as well, and then you just have to go to the settings. That's right. And right here, you just have to scroll down until you can find your custom domain. So we have that right here. So let me just delete this existing domain that I have here. After that, just open your GoDaddy dashboard and go to your domain. That's right. And then after that, you'd be able to see here now your domain name. So you just have to simply copy this one and go to Blogger, and then you just have to paste it right here. Okay, after that, tap on the save option and then tap on update. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. So here, as you can see, we have to verify our authority. So on our domain register website, we have to locate our DNS. So you just have to follow that. So just go to our DNS. That's right. And then here, you just have to enter the following C names. So we have this one. Okay, so we just have to copy this one. And then we are going to add a new record right here. And of course, you also need to change your name servers. So you have that right here in order for you to update your DNS record. And then once you're done, just have to copy the information that you have here. You just have to add it to your DNS records. And then once you're done, you just have to tap on the save option. Okay, and then once everything is ready, so you'd be able to see here now that you have successfully connected your GoDaddy domain to Blogger, but I cannot really show you that today because currently I am still connecting my GoDaddy account to my other account. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.